Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll highlight some amazing features of the MPT230 4G body cam, designed to enhance safety and efficiency for public safety officials and law enforcement personnel. Now, let's take a look at its rich interface. Maybe you didn't hear me the first time. The MPT230 is a 4G body cam. Yes, 4G. That means real-time communication, instant data transfer, and live monitoring from anywhere. But that's just the beginning. Let's break it down into three key areas: advancements, efficiency, and safety. So how does this device outperform the competition? Let's take a look. The primary camera records at 2K resolution with efficient compression, so you get higher quality footage without massive file sizes. Plus, a wider field of view means more of the scene is captured, reducing blind spots. Never miss a moment. With pre-recording, you get footage from 2 minutes before you even hit record, making sure critical events are captured from the very start. Whether you're running, driving, or facing a high-pressure situation, EIS keeps your footage smooth and clear, not shaky or blurry. Even in low-light conditions, the 10-meter IR range ensures details remain visible in darkness. With its dual SIM card design, if one network becomes unstable, the other seamlessly takes over, ensuring your body cam stays online no matter what. The main battery gives you up to 10 hours of 1080p recording. Need to swap? The built-in backup battery keeps the cam powered for 5 minutes so you don't lose the coverage. Additionally, the battery cover makes battery swapping quick, convenient, and efficient. Speaking of efficiency, here are some other features that keep things running smoothly. A 2.4-inch touchscreen and Android 11 OS means faster navigation, smoother multitasking, and compatibility with advanced software tools. With seamless live stream preview, the command center gets live video and GPS upload through 4G, with dynamic quality adjustments for uninterrupted real-time streaming. Need to coordinate? The push-to-talk button lets you instantly connect with the command center or fellow officers through group talk. A 1.5-watt speaker and noise reduction technology ensure clear comms, even in noisy environments.
10-5 Captain, heard loud and clear.
10-5 Captain, heard loud and clear. Type-C and Pogo pin ports provide faster charging, universal compatibility, and an easy dock system for both power and data transfer. Furthermore, the MPT230 can cross-reference faces and license plates in a pre-existing database, helping officers quickly recognize registered individuals or flagged vehicles. Let's look at how the MPT230 protects officers, evidence, and mission integrity. Well, firstly, let's look at how the body cam can protect itself. With an IP68 waterproof rating and 2-meter drop resistance, this camera is built to handle extreme conditions without breaking. If an officer finds himself in a tough spot, just one press can send a live video feed, GPS location, and audio to the command center, ensuring they get back up quickly when they need it. Need to de-escalate a situation? Program the function button to activate visible and audible alerts, making officers more noticeable and reducing the risk of physical confrontations. Only authorized personnel can access, record, search, or playback files, protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access. Having said that, the footage is tamper-proof due to advanced cryptographic hashing and end-to-end encryption, ensuring data safety during storage and transport. Basically, officers cannot edit, delete, or alter the recordings, while encryption and hash verification protect data integrity. Which feature of the MPT230 is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.